You are heartily welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Today I am going to teach you about the most common problem of LG Ultra Slim TV. In course of telling about the problem, today I am going to talk about shifting of display. In LG Ultra Slim TV, as well as the channel logo shifting problem. Here, if we solve first problem, then automatically next problem can be solved. This is a simple commonly method. Now here we So we should have to insert it in board. Now you can start your TV. Now you can see the logo in its own place and the display will also be straight. Thank you for watching the video, and please like, comment and share, and also please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel and remain updated with me. Thank you. Namaste.